The Guardian's Choice. We always try to help you to choose the right products. Guardian's Choice presents the 10 best garden kneelers. Let's get started with the list. Starting at our listed number 10. The Navy Penguin Household is a pack of 2 extra thick pads. You can either use one for each knee, or put both knees on one and your elbows on the other. They are made of a durable, eco-friendly material that's easy to wash with a bit of soap and water. These are ideal for uneven terrain, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. However, they can shift around on certain surfaces. Next on our list at number 9. The 𝒍𝒐𝒃𝒆 comes in your choice of 3 sizes and 5 vibrant colors, and is made from non-toxic, high-density foam. It provides plenty of length and width, so you have space to spread out without your knees ending up in the dirt. It also works as a seating pad, and won't absorb moisture. But it is too firm for some. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Yardworks Bench has a seat that opens up into a storage area for your tools, so you can load it up with everything you need and save yourself a second trip. When you flip it over, there's a padded rest for your hard-working knees. These is made of weather-resistant materials with integrated handles. However, it can't support heavy users. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Next on our listed number 7. Designed to help make everything from pruning shrubs to cleaning the bathtub a little easier, the BackJoy Support is crafted using a firm, yet flexible, material that's outfitted with raised nubs to relieve pressure and minimize pain. It comes in a forgiving ergonomic shape. That's great for plumbers too. But its ridged surface bothers some. Moving up our listed number 6. If you don't want to worry about constantly repositioning a bench or mat, try Fiskars knee pads, which attach to your legs, so they move with you. The soft foam lining protects you from rocks and hard terrain, and the Velcro straps make them easy to put on and take off. These are moisture-proof exteriors, and adjustable to fit a variety of sizes. Over-the bands are irritating on bare skin. Half up our list at number 5. Green thumbs who want something extra cushy and stylish will appreciate the Raise Your Game Protector, a supportive folding pad with convenient snap closure handles that holds its shape over time. Its vibrantly printed cover can be easily removed and is machine washable. It's available in 3 bright colors, and good for indoor and outdoor use. It comes with a satisfaction guarantee. At number 4. The Keystore Forest Green puts a thick barrier of memory foam between you and the ground, giving your knees a lot of support. Both the cover and interior offer reliable water resistance to keep moisture from creeping in through the seams or any other weak points. It features a shock-absorbing EVA core and a nylon-coated neoprene exterior, and it doesn't stain easily. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this. Nearing the top of our listed number 3. The Ohuhu Portable collapses flat for compact storage and unfolds in mere seconds when you're ready to use it again. Its legs are made from strong steel tubing, so they won't buckle under heavier gardeners, and it comes with 2 detachable tool bags. It supports up to 330 pounds, and you get 3 pockets on each bag. The legs lock securely into place. At number 2. The Red Home Club mat provides plenty of cushioning for your hard-working knees, and is 18 inches wide, so you'll have no trouble staying on it. It's made of durable, high-density foam, and its lightweight and integrated handle make it easy to take where you need it. It's 1.5 inches thick, and offered in 2 sizes. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. And, taking the top spot on our list, the versatile XCSource Foldable performs well as both a kneeler and a stool, and if you need more mobility or a higher reach, it comes with a strap for its side pouch, so you can wear it around your waist, like a tool belt. Its convenient collapsible design. It has a bonus set of shears, and the upgraded version with thicker foam. Our newest choices can only be seen, the Guardian's Choice, or simply click beneath this video to visit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome videos like this.